YouTube, what's going on? What's the deal? It's your boy Moves back with another video. You guys see what we have behind me. We have my 2022 Audi R8 Performance. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking me for a monthly payment video on this car, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and do today. Got a nice little backdrop for you guys too, so you can see the car while your boy does the video. And let's go ahead and get into it. I'll give you guys a short answer. I'll give you guys a little bit more detail as well, so let's go ahead and make it happen. All right, guys, so here she is. Let me give you guys the quick answer before anything. I paid $2,075. It's like $2,074, a little bit less than $2,075 a month for this car. So if you guys just wanted to figure out how much I paid for the car, you want to skip the video, feel free to do so now. That's how much it cost me to have my Audi R8 Performance. Now, here's a little bit more detail on the whole process, right? So originally when I was looking at this car, I was basically I sold my M4 the same day. I had a BMW M4, which I also made a video on. And when I sold the M4, I still didn't really receive the money for it yet. So I was like, okay, I'm not really even gonna bother looking for anything. I'm gonna wait till wintertime ends and then I'm gonna buy a car. But this car just so happened to come up for sale, and the dealership was from Midwestern Auto Group. That's the dealership that sold me this car, and the spec on it was incredible, guys. Never in my life have I seen a color like this on an R8, so I just knew, okay, this car would not last. So that's why I went ahead and acted on the car. This color is called Ascari Blue. It only comes in, I think, the last 2 years of the R8, where not really a lot of people bought the car because at that time, like, you could get a 2017 one for pretty cheap, I guess. That's my, like, logic behind it, or for whatever reason, that's why they didn't sell too many of them. So this color is called the Ascari Blue. Absolutely fell in love with the way this color looks. It has so much, like, flake in it in the right lighting. It has, like, a lot of purple in it, which doesn't come across too well on video. So this car came up for sale. It came up for a pretty good price. You have a good day, bro. And so I had to act on it. Now, when you're getting an exotic car finance specifically, the whole process is a little bit different from financing a normal car. Let's say if you want to go ahead and finance Toyota Corolla, generally speaking, the process is very straightforward. Anybody can get approved for a Toyota Corolla. And for a down payment, a lot of times, if your credit is decent, if it's half good, for a normal car, you could get the car, right? You could get the car with no down payment, excuse me, or you could put a down payment on it with terrible credit and get it. With a car like this, when you start passing the 100K mark with cars in general, it's a little bit more of a rigorous process. So it applied for this car as well. Now, when you guys are going ahead and buying a car, whether it be an R8 or whatever, there's really like 3 things that the banks really look at. The first thing would be your credit score, right? Do you have a decent credit score? Do you have history? Because credit score being high alone is not enough. You got to have history, right? Have you bought things in the past, financed them? What the heck? Is that another V10? Do you guys hear that? That's definitely a V10 right there. So, have you financed things in the past? Were you able to pay them on a consistent basis? Your credit plays a factor, right? And then obviously the down payment as well. But the third thing, I feel like a lot of people don't really discuss, and it is if you've had other expensive cars before, right? Now, what my bank specifically was telling me is that they look for people when they're looking at a person, they want somebody to get a car that's 50% more expensive than what they had before, right? So how does it apply to this car? This car is significantly higher than the M4 I had. The M4 I had, I bought it for about 72, which I got a pretty sick steal on this car, or on the M4 to be specific. This car was like basically way more than 50%, like damn near, it was double basically. So this car right here, that was an issue for me, right? Even though I was putting a good down payment on it, I was putting 20% on the car, which is what I ended up putting down on the car. It was a good amount. They still wanted to see that like jump, right? And that leap basically. So it was just a little bit more of a rigorous process. And then eventually we dealt with a couple of banks at the dealership, and then eventually I was able to get approved for the car, and I got approved at a really good rate as well. My credit score is excellent. If you guys are wondering what my credit is roughly, it's I want to say like 780 or something when I got this car. So it's high, right? And my down payment is good. Usually when you buy an exotic car, you got to at least have about 20% down on it in order to get approved, and the income obviously. So I needed to show proof of my income, and they obviously want a good amount of income to buy a car that's $100,000 plus, to where it's, you know, sufficient to buy the car. So I ended up getting approved. My rate was a 6.5%, which for a car like this in today's day and age is not that bad. 6.5%, and it is for 75 months. So I could have went longer. Could have did the 84. I could have did. There's people that even go up to like 12 years on cars like these financing, but we stuck with the 75-month term with the 6% interest rate, and that gave me a payment of $2,075 basically. So that was kind of a little bit of the process of how I was able to finance this car. Now, if you guys want to see other videos, let me know. I'll probably drop some on the M5 as well. I have a BMW M5 on the channel, which you guys have already probably seen in previous videos. I'll go ahead and make a video on that car. And if you guys want a video on how I'm able to afford a car like this as well, just let me know. I'll make it happen. I'm 23 years old, guys, so just turned 23 actually. I'm in college as well. So the fact that I'm able to have a car like this in school and not be given it, like handed out the car or anything, or be daddy's money, is like a really good feeling for me. No offense to people whose parents get them their cars and stuff. It just hits different when you get out the mud. So if you guys want advice, if you guys want tips or whatever, just let me know. I'll make a video on it. I'll help you guys out to the best of my ability. Obviously, a lot of it comes down to the work you're willing to put in, but I could probably help you guys in getting started or figure out what direction to go in. So let me know if that's something you guys want me to make. And this car right here, another reason why I was able to justify this car, and I low-key didn't even mention it in the video, so I should go ahead and mention it now. This car right here is from my business, one of my businesses, right? You guys see the wheels on it? If you guys like the wheels on this car and want a set for your vehicle, and we don't only offer this model, check out www.motivoforge.com. That is my wheel company. We have all types of designs for you guys. So whatever you like, we probably offer it. Our prices are very competitive, and our wheels are very high quality. All of our stuff is fully forged. We have endless finishes. This car's set right here specifically has a polished, gloss polished lip with a frozen polished face. That finish is something that a lot of brands don't offer. It's a very complex finish, very unique. So that lets you guys know we have the heat, right? Whatever you want, we got for you guys. So shoot us a contact form message on our website, or shoot us a DM on Instagram at Motivo Forged, and I'll take good care of you guys. So this car right here is honestly a dream car for me. But on top of that, it's like a marketing tool as well, because I post a lot of stuff on this car, including the video you guys are watching. So I gotta have my brand looking presentable. That's part of the reason why I was able to justify buying this car. So if anybody has something they feel like they need to say about it, that's part of the reason why I bought the car. And then obviously somebody in school doesn't need a car this nice, but I'm a car enthusiast. I grew up loving cars my whole life. I work hard to get into this position I'm in now, and this is something that keeps me motivated and hungry, and what keeps me working, right? The fact that I'm able to have a car like this just shows me, okay, if I can get the R8, I could get the Ferrari or the Lamborghini or the McLaren or you know, even the Bugatti. There's really no limit to what you guys could achieve, and this car I feel like is a real testament to me, to that, like, you get whatever you want. Because I grew up riding hoopties, guys. I didn't have a car like this my whole life. My parents don't have no crazy money. Like, my parents are, I'd say, middle class, maybe lower middle class. And so yeah, like, my whole life it was like hoopties. So now I have a car like this. It's something I really do appreciate and enjoy, and I get fulfillment out of having a car like this. Obviously, it's not everything to me, but it's still something regardless, because the younger version of myself really wanted a car like this. That's enough rambling, though. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for all the future content we have coming out with the Audi R8, along with the BMW M5. And check out motivoforge.com, guys. If you need a set of wheels for your car, check us out. I'll get you guys together. You will not be disappointed. But with that being said, guys, I hope you have a good one. Y'all stay safe, stay blessed. Peace. All right, guys, we're over here getting the Audi R8 detailed, prepared for the car meet. Major shout out to my boys over at Do It Detail. I'll have them in the video later, plugging their business in. Also, check this out. We have a M550i here rolling with us. His IG is Aventrin_M550i. But guys, I'm gonna get this car together, looking proper Motivo spec for the car meet. Unfortunately, I was gonna take the M5 as well. I can't really take it, so for now we'll do with just this car. But I'll get some video of it once it's completed and looking nice. I'm excited. This car kind of needs the detail, to be honest with you. So yeah, it should be sweet. Check her out. It's the first time I'm seeing her like this, man. See me, I usually just keep it simple. I just go to the car wash, hand wash the car. I don't do all the extra foam can and stuff. I do need to start getting into it though. Me personally, I feel like it's a skill. It's like an art in itself to clean a car the right way. But yeah, guys, so we wrapped the R8 white. I feel like that kind of looks sweet right there. Maybe we should have did this car in white, huh? I like my blue more though. I feel like it really just pops. It complements the car very nicely. All right, guys, look at the attention to detail. I had to get him on video. This is commitment right here. This is what I'm talking about. So he's getting my interior together, and then now he's got my exterior together. The car is shining, guys. Look at that. That looks pretty sick if you ask me. So major shout out to him. Look at how this car looks absolutely insane. The engine bay, she's looking good, man. She's looking pretty. Getting her ready for the car show. All right, guys, we got my boy Xander here. Tell us a little bit about your business. Where could people follow you if they want to get a detail?
So my name is Xander. I'm with Do It Detail LLC. I've been doing detailing for around 3.5 years. I started when I was 13 with a garden wagon, just going door to door in the neighborhoods.
Okay.
After that, I scaled up to a trailer setup. Redid the trailer setup a couple times. Now we're on to the truck setup.
On to bigger and better things. Okay.
Detailing the R8, but you can find me at Do It Detail _ on Instagram and TikTok.
Sick.
I do anything from minivans to high-end performance vehicles. So
Like,
if you're looking for a
R8.
detail, you know where to find me.
Okay, bro. I appreciate you, man. All right, so I'll have his Instagram in the description below. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna have more stuff coming out with the M5 and the R8 too. And if you guys are going to the Toy Bar meet, depending on when I drop this video, you might be able to see the car there. So big shout out to him. And then another thing I was gonna ask you is, so where are you based?
I'm based in Dublin, Ohio.
Okay.
But I service sitting around 12-ish miles outside of the Dublin region. So Marysville, Plain City, Powell, Delaware, a little bit of Delaware County.
So you do a lot of mobile detailing in that area.
I'll come to your house in your driveway. You can do whatever you want and get your car looking right. And then that's pretty much it. Sick.
So guys, if you need a mobile detail, check him out, man. He'll get you guys together. Get you a little close-up of the R8 too. Check that out. This car hasn't been this clean in I don't know how long. Even this is cleaner than when I got it from Mag initially, actually. So when I first bought the car, this is literally cleaner than when I first bought it. Look at the interior, guys. Job well done. I gotta give him his credit. He got me some goodies too, so he definitely got this car looking amazing. So guys, now we're ready to go ahead and roll to the car meet. You got to get things set up right. Got the Motivo forged wheels looking sick on the car. So if you guys need a set of Motivo forged wheels, check your boy out. Link will be in the description below to the website, www.motivoforge.com. Check us out. We sell very high quality forged wheels for literally any car on the market and any fitment and finish you want. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and roll to this car meet and bounce.